Go with the random teams number 9, a box of Chrome Jumbo and a box of Chrome Hobby. Good luck, guys. See if we can pull some super refractors. I haven't pulled a super in a long time. We're so due, we're about 50-50. Then we're gonna pull a super. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Roll the dice. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Roby on top, Rick Roby on the bottom. And we'll give a little bit of time to do some trading. 6 times here, 6 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. White Sox on the top. Roby with the Sox, man. And there we go. We're going to go ahead and put in order of owner. And we can do some trading. We'll go ahead and put it on pause real quick. Alright, no trades, so we're ready to go. We'll start off with the hobby box. Tatis is on fire too, man. I do have one of these 2019 boxes. Y'all guys want to do maybe a 1920 random team of Topps Chrome Hobby? Isn't Tatis rookie in that one?
What you need?
Looking at Brewers, he looks confused. Okay, Roscoe. I think Lily got all their food. She's hungry. Lily got all the food.
Did she?
Oh, just drinking.
Because he came up here?
Yeah.
Well, Lily's just melting away though, so. Let me see.
Okay. Would you want to do a random team? I used to. I try to do random teams, just kind of. Makes it a little cheaper. A negative Zach Gallen for the Diamondbacks. Okay, Clark. Sometimes when if I used to do it a lot, like divisionals when there was only like 4 people in here. It just it doesn't, and there's too many. You want to try to get more people involved than just 4 to 6 people, because that was just the way you. First auto here, Michael Brosine for the Rays. Rick Roby. Oh, Tui. He did pretty good today. Bryce Harper. The orange here coming up orange auto, Nick Solak for the Rangers. Very nice hit there. Cheeto Gaming. That's going to be number 13 of 25. Luis Robert. Brett Roby. We still got the filler up on the board. 25 or 2 for 48. It's for the Astros here. Refractor auto going out to John Hill. So leave these. Get those sleeved up. What about a mini for that filler? 25 too much? Could do a 1250 mini. Who's down for that? Hello? Hello?
YOLO.
YOLO? Alright, here we go. The Ricky refractor. Randy Rosarina for the Cardinals. Jeff Brett. Zero Cool's not even here anymore. AJ. Gavin Lux. Rookie for the Dodgers. Daniel Diaz. The Seth Brown rookie refractor for the Athletics. Whiskers. Ichiro. Jordan. Man, that sucks. He's out for the season. Just a short season, I guess. Bo Bichette. Did we get 2 autos already? News for the Athletics, Whiskers. We did. Who's the other auto? Oh yeah, I got that guy. Alright, jumbo time. So who's down for a 2019-2020 Chrome Hobby mixer? Makes a lot more teams better. into this. Yeah, everyone's super excited. Man, Britt Robertson. All right, here we go. Number 299. Flores. Echo. Shit. This one gonna repeat, right?
Some wake people up.
Easy. Who's in 2019 Chrome? The rookies. Is Tatis in there? First auto. Robert Duggar. Wait, Robbie. Tatis. Huge. Whew. I might just open it then. Nobody even want to talk to me. Michael Boss. Padres. I got one box left. Vlad. Remember last year I couldn't give those boxes away. I told Ethan, you want all these Topps Chrome boxes? He's like, nah. He said, you threw those away. Okay. Jordan. Remember that, Easy? Kingston? Nice. That guy's gonna be good. You should get some cards out here, Easy. Thank me later. Oh shit. Jordan Yamamoto, refractor rookie for the Marlins. Britt Roby. Nick Solik again, purple auto, number to 250. I'm a pull refractor, and the Brandon McKay for the Rays. Insert refracts. Brian Abreu autograph for the Astros, John Hill. All right, second half of the jumbo coming up. Look, we got a thickie here. That's what she said. Alright, good luck. There's a gold wave coming up. There's a Eurodon, let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, almost. It wouldn't have been on the other side though, right? White Sox. Eurodon rookie. Jose Abreu gold number to 50. Going out to Britt. You got the last 3 games? Oh, it would have made at least your week, right? Go Tatis, Munoz, Ricky Refractor for the Padres. Mike Trout Prism for the Angels. Taint. Yeah, you can sort these too if you want. Luis Robert.
Hmm?
Huh?
No?
Yeah, you can sort them by team. Oh, that's what you're doing? Oh, you're already doing it. Right? One step ahead of me. Ted Williams. Pretty good.
Trying to get employee of the day.
Employee of the day goes to Roscoe. Rays, Colin Poach. Red Robbie. Soto Refractor. Jordan Yamamoto. Louis. There's a thickie right there, the jersey card coming up. The Robo Garcia auto for the Cubs. Oh, Dewey! Nice! Ricky reprint jersey card. What was that one worth? $5 million?
Altuve?
Gotta be worth a ton, right? Easy. We actually buzzed like 20 cases of 15 Prism basketball. We grade, that's what I used to grade a lot. We graded like a ton of Booker Silvers. A piece of the trash can. Robo Garcia rookie refractor. But they weren't worth anything what they're worth now. That was back when I bought. Those were the boxes were like $40 a box. That is just a tad bit more. And there we go. River, what's wrong? Why are you digging a lot? What are you digging? We gotta see. We gotta show that. My dog's going through chemo, and he seems a little
So nervous.
like kind of out of it. He was digging. All right, there's a nice one there. Moto, little bear, nice trout. Luzardo, gold wave, Ryu, Solak purple, Moto, Jordan out for the season. Udon out for the season. Orange, Solak. How much is this one worth? He's like 10 years old. And is that gallon? Alright, thank you guys. Alright, did I ever... Okay, I did. Make sure I